Everyone is chasing the get-rich-quick dream. But if you're a first-gen wealth builder, that isn't the game you should be playing. Today, we're tearing down the myth that wealth comes from high-risk speculation. We're talking about boring business ideas, businesses that have made more millionaires than tech startups ever will. This is a 15-minute roadmap for building a financial engine from scratch. Before you pick a business, you need to know how to vet it. A boring business isn't just something you don't like. It's a model that works based on necessity. We look for high margins, low startup costs, and recurring demand. If you're looking for low-cost business ideas, your goal is to be in business by the weekend. No complex software, no massive overhead. Section 2. Case Study Deep Dive. The Blueprint. Let's break down the trash can cleaning business. The setup. Detailed breakdown of buying the pressure washer, cleaning solution, and insurance. The acquisition. Detailed script of how to cold call, how to use Facebook community groups. Use Facebook community groups. The profit. Breakdown of costs. $500 startup, $10 per job supplies, $40 profit. The scaling. How to go from 1 customer to 100 recurring clients. This is the bedrock of financial freedom for beginners. Section 3. The wealth part. Taking cash from business to investing. This is where most people get it wrong. They make money from their business and upgrade their lifestyle. We don't do that. You take the profit from your power washing or cleaning business, and you feed your investment accounts. This is the core of wealth building. The business is the machine. The assets are the result. Section 4. The 30-day launch plan. I'm giving you a 30-day challenge. Week 1. Research your local market. Week 2. Buy the essential equipment. Week 3. Get your first 5 customers. Week 4. Optimize your process. If you can do this, you're not just a side hustler, you're a business owner. Conclusion. Wealth isn't built on luck. It's built on work that most people are too proud or too lazy to do. If you want to change your financial future, you have to do things differently. Which boring business are you going to research today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to build your own wealth from scratch, subscribe. Let's do this together.